Welcome to ThemeWinter. Today I will show you how to edit your event single page with Elementor. From your dashboard, select Elementor, then Settings. Enable eventin events and save changes. Then from eventin, select Events, then Add New. Start editing your event page by adding a title. Then from Event Attributes, select Elementor Full Width Template. Then Edit with Elementor. Select your page structure, then add a title for your page. Customize the title style by changing the text, color, or typography. Add an image by dragging Elementor Image widget. Then add a heading for your event description. You can edit the color and typography. Then add a text editor by simply dragging and dropping the Elementor widget. You can also create Event Schedule tab. Add multiple schedules. Edit the alignment, nav title, and subtitle colors. From Style tab, you can edit schedule time text and button colors. With Eventin Pro, you can add FAQ section. Select the event ID and it will add the FAQ details to your page. You can also add a text block with event date, time, registration deadline, and venue. With Eventin Pro, you can add event tickets. Select an event to show the number of seats available and price per ticket. You can also add a block for event organizers with Eventin Pro. Change the organizer style and organizer attribute. Add an event countdown with Eventin Pro. Then select an event to show the event countdown timer details. Now add a related event section. Here you can set an event ID, event column, and label. You can add more blocks to your site with Elementor widgets. Once you are done, publish and view your page. From Advanced tab, you can adjust image margin and padding. You can also add a background type and border. You can do the same to your ticket and event details section. This will improve the design of your event page. Eventin also lets you add attendee list. Simply drag and drop the widget on your page. Choose your event and enable or disable thumbnail or email. Customize the margin and meta style from style settings. You can also use shortcodes with Elementor. Drag the shortcode widget and add it to your page. Then from eventin settings, copy the shortcode and paste it on your page. Then go to eventin schedules and select the schedule ID and add it to your shortcode. And it will be displayed on your page. Follow us to learn more about upcoming updates and features. Thank you.